Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Rahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will learn about the some data manipulation part. We are using the today trim, replace and remove. How can we use the trim, replace and remove? So you can see here I am already made a program, but I am show you to the from the start. So just control command both of this, and we are create string variable, and in that string we are passed the some value is we are passed the we are take the space before the hello word. So you can see here we have the multiple space before the hello, then we have the value into the hello welcome to UiPath. So we are using the trim to remove this space and start from the hello UiPath to word. So trim, basically trim is work to trim the unidentified space from the string. So how can we do that? Simply we are take assign activity. In that assign we are store a we are create a variable name. You can create any variable which you want to create it. So I'm create a output variable, and in other side of the output what I am doing, I am just provide our string variable and dot trim and click OK and show into the output into the message box. Just run it program. After run it, you can see we get the output is hello welcome to UiPath. So it's remove the unidentified space which is coming from the hello. So that case we are using the trim. So now we are using to the replace, where we can use the replace. Okay, so here you can see here we have the 1 2 3 4 5 replace. So how can we use the replace? Simply we are take assign activity, and in that assign what I am doing, I am just comment this, and we are using the replace activity. So simply we are providing output variable, and other side we are take input variable is text, then we are used to dot replace. Okay, and that we are bracket, and you can see we have a space between of the string. So we are use the mark where you want to replace the other value. So I'm replace the from the space we need to add the shine pipeline sign. So just okay and save it and show the output into the message box. Just run it program. So you can see here we get the output is pipeline sign hello pipeline welcome pipeline to pipeline UiPath. So replace means they are replace your space from the with the pipeline, and if you want to replace any word from the any word, then it's replaced from the given word to output word which you want to replace it. Simply I'm just show you that what they are doing. We are used to replace the hello. We are replace the hello from the Rahim. So just okay and run it. And here you can see it's replace the hello word from the Rahim. So just okay. So now we are using the third one is remove. How can we use the remove? So simply we are use the remove to remove the some string value from the input value. So you can see here we have a input value this, this one. So we need to, what we are doing, we need to remove some space from the word. So here what we are doing, I'm just remove this space from this, and here we have the hello. So I want to need to remove the hello. So how can we do that? Simply we are, what I am doing, I'm just cancel it and take a comment activity, comment out it, and take another assign activity to use the remove. So here we are provide the output. Another side what we are doing, we are using text dot remove bracket where probably index 0 index to 5 index. So just okay and save it, and you can see the result. We are get the value into the welcome to UiPath. One more thing I want to tell you about the remove. We I am provide the remove here 0 to 5, then they are that are remove the index from 0 to 4, it's left the 5 index. That is the method of the remove. Like you can see here, if I am, if I am use the one, okay, we can here use the, we just use the dot to string, okay, dot replace, we are use the replace, and what I am doing, we are use the replace with the space, with the place of the space. So we are use the space the pipeline sign, just okay, delete it and run it. So you can see here they are at the one pipeline before the welcome. So what is the remove action doing? Remove is doing to, because we have the H is the 0 index and E is the 1 index, 0 1 2 3 4. So you can see here we have the total 4 index of the hello world, but it's removed the 4 index and left the 5 index. So that's the reason. If we are using the remove and we are provide the index from the 0 to 5, 0 to 10, then they are just count the index 0. If you are provide the 0 to 5, then they are count, they are remove the 0 to 4 index, and if you are provide the 0 to 10, then they are removed the 0 to 9 index. So that's the meaning. He's left the last provided value index. Okay, so please subscribe my channel. And also I am told you yesterday and before yesterday I am told you that I am make the video related RE framework, but I am not have the much time for make the video relate to the RE framework. But I'm surely confirm that I am make a video about the RE framework and post it tomorrow in my YouTube channel. So please subscribe my channel and be ready for the my my video with regard to the RE framework. So please subscribe my channel and like my video and comment it, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.